So we already pulled a picture from a device. Now you're gonna see, guys, if I want to write anything, see how it's like that. Getting? Getting? So this is exactly a started, but I want this picture to move. So if I'm clicking over here and trying to move, see, is it not move? Is like what happened is just a going down and moving that. But I cannot see as a word like what I want to mean, Let me show the in Chrome. Okay. Chrome, suppose I'm going to take a Wikipedia. Wikipedia, I want to search a car information. Okay. Now going to the Wikipedia car. See over here, how exactly is this? My car is over here and all information is surrounded to the my car, right? So suppose I'm copying the things from over here. Okay, little bit things. Copy. Control C for copy, or you can right click and say copy. It's the same. Okay, now I'm closing this and let me suppose a delete button. I'm just removing everything, whatever I have, and let me paste it. Control V for paste. Okay, you can see I just added all this data. Now what happen if suppose I'm implementing over here what my picture. Okay, see I'm clicking into the A position means the top. Okay, going to the insert, I want to add the picture. Okay, I'm going over here and see this device. I want to add picture, card picture selected, and just say insert. So what happened? My information is going down. It's your picture is taking extra space. So what we need to do, we need to, if suppose I'm clicking over here, okay, now you can see there is no any extra tab is open. So when you are click on that picture, the extra tab will be open. This is extra tab are saying getting extra functionality to for your picture only. Like you can see, if suppose I want to remove background, I want to change the different, I want to change the colors. We can do that. Even in colors we have the different color. See, even down, see the colors are changing. Okay, you can do that. Even let me go again to the pictures. Even if you want to do any artist type of picture, see, we can do apply the changes. Even if we want to do that, if you want to change our picture, if you want to put over here another picture, or if suppose we are applying any kind of functionality to picture and we want to reset that picture as it is, so we can use this option also. Even if suppose I want to a particular border to my picture, see, getting, see, see different stuff, so we can do that also. Plus, even if suppose I want a border with the color different, see, getting, okay, even not a picture border, even effect also, see, like 3D effects, getting, see, so you can do that also. See, different way we have. So what I want to say, if suppose I want this all, whatever text I want surrounded with the tech with the picture, how we can do that? Let me click on the picture format. You can see there is an option position. Okay, if suppose I want to take over here, see, right now it's surrounded with the text. I want to into the middle, see, it's in middle. Left side, see, right side, left side, every side, middle. You can do that anywhere. Suppose I'm clicking on middle, see, it's picture in middle. Okay, again I'm going over here into the this. See, right now all texts are surrounded to my picture. So every time you can see in different areas, so they are doing like that. Okay, now getting, now again I'm going to the insert. Okay, after that we have the shapes also, different kind of shape. So let me show the one kind of shape. Let me delete it, all this stuff, delete. Okay, now even we have the shapes also. Like suppose I want to use this kind of shape, like, see, you can age, you can use the shape also. Let me take another shape, like this kind of shape, getting, you can take the shapes also. See, if suppose sometime you want to say something about that picture, so you can draw like that, take a arrow, okay, and write over here what exactly is picture you're seeing. Okay, So it's depend upon to if you can understand some functionality. After understanding functionality, how you can solve any problem using by this all functionality is a different part. That's why I want to show each functionality what is exactly the work. Okay, now getting. So we have the n number of shape. Can see different smileys, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. A lot of different shapes you have. You can take. If you don't want, don't take. It's depend upon to you. Okay. Now let me just go to the undo. Undo. I don't want. Okay. Now after that we have the smart art. Like what? When you are clicking over here, you can see this is all kind of shape, right? It's a shape, right? Getting? Means it's we can call a predefined shape. Means they already created something content using by shape and we can directly write inside of that. Okay, like suppose you can see what a smart art giving us. Smart art, like you can see the all means whatever I have list, process, a cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, what that pyramid, right? Picture, office.com, like everything over here is that inside of all. Okay, if suppose I want to make a something a list, okay, content of list, see there is a graphical type of list I have. See, getting, like suppose I want to make a list, I'm clicking over here and just say okay. So you can see one kind of list I have and how they are creating using the different shapes, right? Taking a squares, right? So this is exactly created by directly Microsoft. Okay. Now when you are clicking over here and going to the smart design, you can see there are a lot of different design for the only the list purpose. See, okay, getting, see, mm-hmm. Okay, even a lot of. Okay, now if suppose already shown that a list, suppose I'm going insert again, I want to take a smart art, but I want to take a as a process. Means no, sometime I need to show. Click over here. First step is this, second step is this, and third step is this. Okay, so I'm doing a process. See, I'm taking the process one and just say okay. See, what they are taking, they are taken over here one box, one this kind of arrow. So what exactly they are taken from the shapes, getting that two box, okay, boxes, three boxes, and the shape over here like that, like that. So you can make your own art also, but if you don't want to make your own one, we have the predefined. Okay, even I want to check the predefined, I want to change that, I don't want this shape, just clicking over here, going to the smart art, and you can see there are different also. See, process, getting like that. Okay, now let me delete it. Even let me show in designing, okay, sorry, in insert, I'm going to the again smart art and I want to take another one. Okay, suppose I want to take a cycle, like we are saying something, humans are first started with the they are monkeys, after that that I don't know what we call in English, but that cycle, humans are started, first they born, they are like they are monkeys, after they are development, like if we can say even our human cycle also, first we are born, after that we are child, after we are in 18 age, after we are going a growth like that. So if you want to say like that, we are taking one kind of a cycle and just taken, see, cycle. Okay, and even when you are going over inside of that, you can see there are different cycles also. Means cycle is only that with a different shapes. We can check, see, see, getting, uh-huh, uh-huh, see, like that. Okay, we have the difference you can take directly and you can write inside of like like a step one, right? Step two, right? Getting? Like step three, step four, step 10. Now, if you guys saying, if suppose I want to add extra step, how we can add? Because over here, one, two, three, four, five steps only. So how I can increase? So we have option over here. Click that. You can see steps three, steps 4, steps 5. Okay, now I want to increase.